Understanding the distinct roles these partners play in building your workforce. 2 paths to building your team. Staffing agencies act as your rapid response team, delivering immediate workforce solutions when you need them most. Recruitment agencies serve as strategic partners, investing time to find talent that will shape your company's future and strengthen your culture. Temporary solutions supplies short-term, contract, and temporary workers to meet immediate needs. Flexible coverage, perfect for covering employee leaves, seasonal demand spikes, and project-based roles. Administrative relief manages payroll processing, benefits administration, and all employment paperwork for temporary staff. Strategic talent sourcing finds permanent employees who align with your company culture and long-term vision. Executive search specializes in mid to senior level positions, actively headhunting passive candidates. End-to-end management oversees the complete hiring journey from initial sourcing through final onboarding. Staffing speed. Fill critical roles in days or even hours. Scale your workforce up or down with remarkable agility to match business demands. Recruiting precision. Investment takes weeks to months. Thorough vetting ensures long-term fit, cultural alignment, and improved retention rates. Staffing agency pricing. Hourly markups that bundle payroll, benefits, and administrative overhead. Generally more cost-effective for short-term workforce needs. Recruitment agency fees, typically calculated as a percentage of the candidate's annual salary. Higher upfront investment that pays off through quality permanent hires and reduced turnover. Staffing agencies maintain broad candidate pools of active job seekers, conduct basic qualification screening focused on speed and immediate availability. Recruitment agencies cultivate specialized talent networks, including passive candidates, perform comprehensive interviews, skills assessments, and thorough background checks. Staffing agencies. Advantages: rapid placement speed, workforce flexibility, reduced administrative burden. Drawbacks: variable candidate quality, temporary-only solutions, limited control over employees. Recruitment agencies. Advantages: quality over quantity focus, strong cultural fit assessment, long-term strategic partnerships. Drawbacks: extended hiring timeline, higher upfront costs, less immediate agility. Scenario 1. Holiday retail surge. A national retailer needs 100+ temporary workers before Black Friday. A staffing agency deploys qualified candidates within days, handling all payroll and compliance. Scenario 2. Department head search. A tech company seeks a new VP of engineering. A recruitment agency conducts a thorough search over 6 to 8 weeks, presenting culture-fit candidates with proven leadership track records. Staffing agencies. Choose for agility, immediate workforce demands, and flexible scaling. Recruitment agencies. Select for strategic, permanent talent acquisition and cultural alignment. Your success formula. The right choice accelerates growth, controls costs, and builds your dream team.